Hi everyone. Now I'm back with this Marshall MG102 CFX guitar amp. It has a amp problem, no output, and I don't know what kind of technician has made this. I don't know who used this kind of PCB just to make out the sound. Now I'm going to repair this on real. I will make it real like the original. Not only like the original, because it doesn't sound like real Marshall tube sound. Look what kind of technician is this. He used this kind of PCB. I think it doesn't have any sense of sound and sense of any guitar amp.